Fast and easy how to change the language of your phone. As you can see, in this moment it's in a very strange language. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna enter your system, you're gonna recognize the system because this icon, or you're gonna swipe down, and here is the icon of the settings. And now you're gonna go down, no matter there is some different language, and you're gonna select the second option. From down to up, the second option, you can see system in a different language. Now you're gonna select the first option called under system, and then here you're gonna find the first option again, and here it is. In this moment it's in Indonesia, and you're gonna come here where is the plus signal, and you're gonna find English. And then when you find English, all you have to do, you have move it up. If you add English but you don't move it up, it's not gonna change. And remember to give me some bucks if the video was good for you. Subscribe, like, and comment, and now you have your phone in English, very fast and easy.